but you also have to make a commitment to me. Right? And the commitment that I want to make to you is that the last time we applied for a curfew within the state, it should expire on Monday of next week. If I can get the commitment from you that going forward, we will do all that we can to ensure that this space remains safe for people to do their business, to raise their families, and also to have fun. If you can give me that commitment, then I promise you, I guarantee that I will not ask for an extension of the curfew after Monday.
Okay.
But I want one brave somebody from the group to come forward and make that commitment to me. Like I leave my office in the rain, pouring rain, to come here to make that commitment to you, the good people of Porus. Because what we know also know, gentlemen and ladies, we know there's a handful of people here giving problem now. We know that, you know. But what is our challenge? We have people here who are facilitating that. Because we also know that some people leave from all the way where they leave from and come here come kill people, you know. We know that. So there are some persons who are still within the space that we have interest in. Some people that we want to talk to. Right? And one of the names that readily comes to my mind is a man named Michael Chambers. He's called Panky. I know he comes from somewhere in Old Harbour Bay. We want to speak to him.
But we're not asking a picture.
I don't know him. We don't know him.
Sorry?
I'm doing business and I don't know that gentleman.
You don't know him?
Alright,
but you see, alright, well, you have to, but what you have to understand.
The one from Alabama, I don't know.
But listen, what you have to understand, you see, is that even though he's somebody who we want to speak to, right? There are some things that, some bureaucracy that we can't breach, some parts that we can't breach. So to put a photograph of him out there now is not wise.
Okay.
It's not wise, right? Because there are some procedures that must be followed, right? But Michael Chambers, otherwise called Panky, from Old Harbour Bay, we would like to speak to a gentleman like that. So I am saying, as a community,